Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dhanur Fogart. So today we'll be studying maths, simple interest. So firstly I'll give you some formulas for simple interest. This is episode 1 of Maths Made Easy. So this is from the ICSE book class 7. Simple interest, lesson 11, page 140. So, now I'll give you some formulas for simple interest. So, simple interest, we can write it as SI, or we can also call it interest, only interest. Interest is written as only I. Its formula is P into R into T. I'll tell you what is P, R and T upon 100. This is formula for simple interest. Now, the formula for P, which is principal amount. So, P is interest into 100 upon R into T. So, R is rate. Rate is generally it is in percentage. And time is like any time period we call it. Now I'll define all of them in the end. In the end, when I write the formulas, then I'll define these terms. Then formula for R is I into 100. This will be same, okay? I into 100 upon P into T. So the rest two terms will be written below, okay? So R is also done. There are basically 5 terms in this. Yeah, 5. Now I'll give you formula for time period. T is equal to, again we'll write I into 100 upon P into R. Formula for time period. Then this will be the easiest formula, okay? Amount. It is the sum of principal and interest on it. So A, we'll write it as A is equal to principal plus SI. So write I have written I everywhere. Then A is equal to P plus I. Just simple, okay? Now I'll define all the terms for you. Simple interest. It is the extra money which the lender gets from a borrower in consideration of the sum money borrowed used by the borrower. The terms simple interest and interest mean the same. Now principal. What is a principal? What is principal? It is the sum which the lender gives to a borrower. This can come for MCQ. So please also go through the definitions. It is given on page 140. Rate or rate of interest, they mean the same. It is the interest for a fixed period on every 100 rupees. For example, rate of interest is 18% per year. Means on rupees 100, the interest in 1 year is rupees 18. So I'll also tell you that per year and per annum mean the same. What is time period? It is the time for which the sum is borrowed or lent. Amount. It is the sum of principal and the interest on it. Now we'll move forward to the exercises. I'll clean the board. There's only one exercise in this chapter, so it will be easy for you and me. Now we'll do exercise 11. There's only one exercise, no AB. Exercise 11. So, 1. Question number 1 is rupees 150 for 4 years at 5% per year. Question number, wait, I'll write the question to 1. Now, it is rupees 150. So, principal will be, in this question we have to find simple interest and amount. So, principal is rupees 150. Time is 4 years. Time or time period, T is equal to 4 years. Now, and what is rate? R is equal to 5% per annum. So this is given. I'll write given. So this is given. This is given. Now I'll write the formulas. What we have to find? Simple interest and amount. So what is the formula for simple interest? P into R into T. Into R into T upon 100. And amount is P plus SI. So these are the formulas for this question. Now we'll do the solution part here. So we'll find simple interest first. SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So P is 150 into R is 5 into T is equal to 4 upon 100. So 0 goes by 0. Now 2, this will also go by 5, 3. Now 4, now 2 will cut 4. Now it's 2. Now we'll multiply. So it is 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is 15. 15 into 2, it's 30. So interest is rupees 30. Okay. Now we'll find out this amount. So A is equal to P plus SI. P 150 plus 30. A 180, rupees 180 is our amount. Now we'll do next question. I'm not doing all the subparts, rest of the subparts are homework. Now I'll do fourth one. So 2 and 3 are homework. So the fourth one, 3,380 for 30 months at 4 by 1/2% per annum. Now we'll note down the given things. So given is P P is given, R is given, and T is given. So now P into R, sorry. Now we'll write all the, note down all the things which are given. P is equal to 3,380 rupees. 380 rupees. Rate is interesting. It is in fraction. 4 by 1 by 2% per annum. PA. And what's time? 30 months. Not so. Please convert all of them into year, because here rate is given per annum and this is in months. So we'll convert this into year. Then how will we convert this into year? We'll divide 30 months by 12. 12. Now we'll cut. So it will be 15, 6, 2. So it will be now 5 by 2. Okay. So this is the given. 5 by 2 years. 30 months is 5 by 2 year. Now this is given. Now we'll write formulas. So simple interest is P into R into T. So upon 100, 3380. Wait, I'll write SI 3380 into we'll convert this into improper fraction. 8. So this is 9 by 2 into 5 by 2. Sorry, I have written minus here. It's not minus 5 by 2, it's 5 by 2. Upon 100. Now 0 cuts 0. Wait. I'll rearrange it so it's easy for me. Hundred into 9 by 2 into 5 by 2. Yeah. So 0 goes by 0. Now this will cut. 5 goes 2. Now this is 169. Now 169 into 9. So 169 into 9 is 1521. Wait, I did recalculate it. Yeah, 1521 upon 4. 2 into 2, 4. 1521 upon 4. Now we will convert it into mixed fraction. So it is 38 1 by 4 rupees, or we can also write it as 38.25 rupees. Now we'll calculate amount. So I am calculating amount here. So A is equal to 3380 plus 0.00 38.25. So now it is 5, 2, 8, 11, 4, 3. So this is our amount. This is our amount. This thing. 3418.25 is the amount. Now we'll do the next question. Now I'll do question number 2 of this exercise. I'm not copying down the question. I'll just read it. On what sum of money does the SI, the simple interest, for 10 years at 5% becomes rupees 1600? So, P, we have to find out principal. P is equal to question mark. We don't know what's P. Now T is equal to 10 years and R is equal to 5%. T is equal to 10 years. R is equal to 5%. Now, I told you what's the formula for principal. Yes, you are correct. It's P is equal to I into 100. It is standard. Okay, I into 100 upon R into T. So, this means I. So, I is equal to, sorry, I is also given. I didn't note down I. Is 1600. Sorry. I is 1600. So, 1600 into 100. R is 5% into 10. So, 0 cuts 0. This is 2. So, now 1600 into 2 is 3200. So, what is the principal amount? 3200 rupees. Rupees sign. Okay. So this will be the last question for this video. Question number 6. P, wait, I'll dictate it. 6. Find the rate percent. So what we have to find is rate. I'll write R. We don't know what's R. Do you know? I don't know. We'll calculate it. R is question mark. Then P. Wait, sorry, I'll dictate the question first. Find the rate percent if simple interest on rupees 275 in 2 years is rupees 22. So T is 2 years, simple interest is 22. P is 275, R is, so what's R? R is, we don't know. P, what's T? Now tell me what's T. T is given, it's 2 years. What is SI? SI is 22. SI 22. Now with these we can calculate what is R. So what's formula for R? R is equal to I into 100 upon P into T. Now it's, I'll write it, 22 into 100 upon 275 into 2. 275 into 2. Now we'll cut. So this will go by 11. This will be 55. this will be 20, this will be 11, this will be 4, 11 goes by 11. So what's the rate? 4% per year. This is our rate. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. This was the first episode for our math series, Maths Made Easy. Now I'll soon post the second episode. I Dhanur Fogart sign out. Good. Bye.